So I found the source of that high-pitched turbo squeal. It's the lower air-to-air hose right at the edge of the clamp. Right there. And right underneath the left front of the truck. It connects that to that.